It is time to create with Quimby. They say communication is key, and sometimes you might need a chalkboard at home to relay a very clear message to your family.
Like call your mom. And this morning we're learning how to make your own homemade chalkboard, and it's one that can double as a great piece of decor as well. Joining us live to walk us through this project, our DIY guru, Shannon Quimby. Good morning, great to see you.
Good morning, you guys, and how do you do?
Doing great. All right, so we had to call your mom. Yours says hi, Dad, already. So the theme is just check in on the parentals. That's what I'm gathering.
Yeah, exactly. It goes both ways. One for my son and a shout out to my dad, Jay Quimby. So,
That's great.
There you go.
What inspired this project?
Well, this is like a permanent Post-it note. And so instead, I'm a big Post-it note, and I put it all over the place. And so I always have a chalkboard lying around because I'm constantly forgetting to do things, or even like call my mom and get eggs and so forth. So a chalkboard is a really simple DIY project that you can do and have around, and put it in any room, your office, the kitchen, by the front door. It's a great place, a great DIY.
And I love that obviously when you're the one DIYing, you can customize it to your decor, whatever style you want.
Make it your own.
How do we make this?
That's right. So it's 5 wood pieces. You get 2 at one length, and these are at 19 inches. And then you get 2, these are 1x4s that were cut up, and then 2 at 13 inches. Now you can adjust the size of, your chalkboard at ever, that fits the space that you want. And I just had some leftover interior paint that I had lying around. I always like to reuse and recycle. And you just, why not? Let's save some money.
I'm just going to wager a guess here that you went and saw your friends at Par Lumber for that wood, and they cut it up for you.
Yes, they did.
How'd I know?
That's that's the beauty about Par too. Is that they are so, their customer service is top notch. You guys, it's like, help me out. Let's all DIY together. Okay. So 4 pieces, and you cut them, then you paint them all one color, and then you let it set to dry.
Okay. You
probably only need to do 1 coat. Then you get a flat piece of wood. This is a skinny piece of plywood.
Okay.
And you want to cut it just slightly smaller than the size of your 4 pieces. So those were 19 inches by 13 inches, because you don't want the chalkboard backing to overlap on the board. It's on the frame. Okay. Okay. And now chalkboard paint, you can get it in, any hardware store. You do have to, before you start painting, you guys, painting tip, you really got to shake this up. A lot of times it settles, and when you open it, it looks black, but when you start painting it, you'll notice that it needs to be mixed thoroughly. Start painting. Okay.
Well, because chalkboard paint has a little bit of that like sediment in it, right? That's what gives it that chalkboard texture.
Yes. Okay. So you're probably going to need definitely 2 or 3 coats, because it just really absorbs in. Now you can prime first if you want to, but I just slap it right on. Okay.
Okay.
And then you let that dry. So I'll set this here. Next up, so here's one. It's all done and dry. And then 4 pieces, and you're just going to outline them. You're going to outline the board. Just wrap them around like so. It's really easy. You don't even need, whoa.
Hey, and now you can attest that they're sturdy. This is the sturdy test.
Yeah, it's Shannon proof. So if it's Shannon proof,
there you go.
Oh, that's funny.
Well, I love the way that you put these together. You don't have to worry about cutting an angle. You're not trying to line them up on a corner. You've just got them going around in a nice little rectangle.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't have to worry about those miter cuts. You just put some wood glue on the bottom, and you just keep wrapping it around. It's a really simple project. A lot of times people think that DIYing can be pretty scary. I don't know how to do that, but you know how to cut and paint and glue.
Yeah. No, this one looks super simple and super cute.
Well, exactly. And then you get something that called quick grips. There's these clamps. Once again, you can get it at the hardware store. Nice. And that's what clamps these down together to let it dry, so you don't have to hammer it. Now you can hammer some nails into it if you want to.
Okay. If you didn't have grips, could you put it like under a stack of heavy books or something at home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally.
Yes, you could.
Okay.
How long do you typically let it dry?
Probably I would let it dry for about 2 to 3 hours. Give it a good time.
Okay.
Give it a good time to do so. And you want to do all four corners if you don't, if you don't have the quick grips. But this is also a great birthday gift, by the way.
There you go.
Keep that one in mind.
That's a good one to add to the list.
It is, and it's always nice to help, add to the toolbox.
Absolutely. A little bit at a time. Each project, you always get something new. Hey, Shannon, real quick, you're giving away a couple of these chalkboards on Facebook.
Yes, we are. We're giving them away, 3 of them, including this one on the wall. And one last tip, you guys, before you write on the chalkboard, you got to put some chalk on it and wipe it on there first, okay? Because if you don't, then those letters, when you wipe them away, you'll still see them.
Gotcha. Give it a little one-over dusting first. Nice.
Good deal. Shannon, another great idea. Once again, nice and simple. So easy a Travis could do it. Thanks for sharing with us. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
All right, bye. And again, for that full list of materials and instructions, we're going to post that on coin.com. As for that chalkboard giveaway, follow Shannon Quimby on Facebook.
Oh, very fun. All right.